Evening, everybody. 46 Blitz 8 here for 643boxbreaks.com, and the time is 11:48 Eastern Time on Friday, May 23rd. Happy Friday to you all. So here's my triple stack of Upper Deck products: 2013 Artifacts, 2013 SP Game Used, and 2013 SPX. This is a Team Select Buy It Now, sold out, and we are ready to break. So this is a YouTube reference number 370, triple box Team Select. Artifacts, SPX, and SP Game Used. Here's the roster. All four kinds. You have the Winnipeg Jets. Ryan, you have your LA Kings. Farmer Boy, you have the Wings, Capitals, Canucks, Ducks, Flyers, Blackhawks, Bruins, Canadians, and the Oilers. Devilish Demon, you have the Coyotes, Wilds, and Flames. DJ Niles Mommy, you have the Hurricanes, Jackets, Islanders, Senators, Rangers, and the Devils. El Donko, you have the Stars. Harveg, you have the Buffalo Sabres. James Mack, you have the Lightning, Avalanche, and the Penguins. Linda Scouch, you got your Sharks. P123PC, you have the Panthers, Blues, and the Predators. Going for the rookies there. And Subterfuge, finally, last but not least, you have your Toronto Maple Leafs. Oh, Paul's here. All right, good. All right, so here we go. Let's do the SPX first. I've actually this is only the second box I've opened of this, so I'm going to go through slowly, just because I haven't seen much of it, or opened much of it, so just in case I miss anything. Serial number ending in 909, as listed on the forum. And for the exploit video, first one's for the camcorder, second one's for the exploit video, ending in 909. Alright. Here we go, SPX. Just adjust my camera. Can't quite get it flat down. There, that's better. Good luck, everybody! And we'll do the Artifacts next, and then the SP Game Used will save the backs for last. There's the SPX bonus pack. And we got 12 packs, plus the bonus, empty box. Alright, start off with the bonus pack. Why? Just because. This is the Ice rookie unit, I believe. Alright, starting off, we have a Ice of Ovechkin. Ice of Weber, Shea Weber. Ice of Sidney Crosby. Who's that? Which Sedin? That's Henrik Sedin for the Vancouver Canucks. And the Ice rookie premiere for the Edmonton Oilers. It is number 922 out of 99. Will Acton for the Oil. And the Oil of property of Bummer Boy. So there you go. Congratulations, Jack. First hit is yours. Will Acton. Never heard of that guy. First pack of the regular. Alright, we have base of Dupuis. Which one of these cards? No, they're horizontal. Fleischmann. Oh, jersey. Right off the hop. Jonathan Huberdeau. That's not bad. Rookie materials for the Florida Panthers. Florida is property of P123PC. Paul. Drop your work. He's got a hit. That's a rookie materials. Doesn't appear to be numbered. Jonathan Huberdeau. Couple base cards. Alright, we got base Jimmy Howard, base Nazem Kadri, and we have a rookie for the Los Angeles Kings. And Ryan, you have a Tyler Toffoli rookie. Not numbered. Spacer and Andrew Ladd. This won't care. Alright, we have Joe Thornton, we have Craig Anderson, and another rookie autograph. For the Carolina Hurricanes, number 134 to 499, it is Elias Lindholm. Carolina this round is DJ Niles' mommy. Elias Lindholm, one of the last teams sold, actually. Congratulations, sticker auto, double jersey. Couple of base. Cam Ward, and we got a rookie. Here's Nail Yakupov for the Oilers. Not numbered, but possibly short printed. And we can verify that. Couple of base. Wow. That was really poorly done. I just ripped the little tag right off it. And now I got nothing. Oh, there we go. I don't know why Upper Deck can't make nicer packs. They're so soft, they just peel like butter. Stamkos. Ooh, we got a die cut for the Calgary Flames. Sean Monahan. Not numbered. Calgary is Devilish Demon. Lundqvist and Boyle. Jamie Benn, David Clarkson, and a rookie, unfortunately with a dinged corner on it, lower left. Unfortunately for the Buffalo Sabres, Buffalo's Harveg. Well, it's not too bad, I guess. That is Mikhail Grigorenko, by the way. It's not dinged corner. All right, we have Van Riemsdyk. We have Blake Wheeler. And, ooh, nice. Very, very nice. Numbered 1 of 15. Ryan Murray, rookie for the Blue Jackets. Columbus is DJ Niles' mommy. Again, one of the last teams sold, I believe. Number 1 of 15. Ryan Murray. That's all right. Congratulations. See? It says right on there. It's a Ryan Murray kind of night. Lucic, rookie for the Anaheim Ducks. It is Hampus Lindholm. Hampus. Yep. Hampus Lindholm for the Anaheim Ducks. Never heard of that guy either. Anaheim is property of Bummer Boy. Base Bacchus Malkin. Oh, winning combos for the New York Islanders. We have Josh Bailey and Michael Grabner. Double orange jersey. The Islanders are property of DJ Niles' mommy. Not numbered, winning combos, double jersey. There you go. Pretty cool. Chris Stewart, Mike Fisher, and rookie for the another Ryan. This is Ryan Murphy, not Ryan Murray. Ryan Murphy for the Carolina Hurricanes. Carolina is DJ Niles' mommy. This is a Ryan Murray and a Ryan Murphy. Screensaver came on. Alright, so we're on a die cut here, Logan Couture. This might be short printed as well. Eric Lindros for the Flyers. Die cut. That one's not numbered. Philly. First draw for Philly is Bummer Boy. Steve Mason and somebody for base. And the final pack of the SPX. Pavelec, and we have a rookie for the Anaheim Ducks, one of the 13 goalie rookies this year, Frederik Andersen. The Anaheim Ducks rookie. There we go. And that concludes the SPX. Alright, next up, Artifacts. Camcorder first. Gotta pull the label down a little bit, and I get 128, 126, 128. Artifacts, my personal favorite year-over-year product. There we go. So I got my Team Canada list ready, so I can tell you where all the Team Canada cards are going. Plus, I have the Rookie Redemption. The Rookie Redemption list ready as well. I have come prepared this time. Of course, Artifacts, 10 packs. 4 cards per, 1 hit per pack. Starting off with a jersey card. Jason Spezza base. Ooh, nice for the... Ooh, I like this. It is for the Montreal Canadiens, Les Habitants. It is Jacques Lemaire. Very nice. Number 58 of 125. I can't remember how to do my French numbers. Jacques Lemaire. Montreal is Bummer Boy. Gotta like that. Spacer and Alexander Burrows. And usually I try and spot the jerseys and just save those for last. I blew that one. Alright, Mike Green base. Claude Lemieux. And we have a rookie redemption for the St. Louis Blues. And this is numbered red 225. And red 225 is, I'm going to attempt to say it, is Dmitry Jaskin or Jaskin. The St. Louis Blues, according to the list. St. Louis is property of P123 PC. Game Center thing. Great packing material. And a base card. Shattenkirk. Ooh, Artifacts. For the Philadelphia Flyers, we have Nicholas Grossman. I'm assuming that's probably one of the E-print runs. Nicholas Grossman for Philly. And that is Jack. There you go. Artifact. And go with your Jacques Lemaire. Oh, double hit pack. We have a red of Evgeny Malkin. For none other than the Pittsburgh Penguins, and that is James Mack. That is numbered 395 out of 399. Red 225. Paul? Dmitry Jaskin or something. I'm not sure that's how you pronounce it. Double hit pack. There's too many of them. So I wonder if there's going to be some other oddities in this box. Howard Track base. We have an emerald Matt Duchene for the Colorado Avalanche, number 76 out of 99. The Avs are James Mack, Shea Weber, and Everlay base. Tanks. Sounds like what I say. Tanks. Nope. Like I said, I tend to look for the jerseys first, and I blew that one too. Jersey card in here. It is a Tundra Trios. Ooh. But we'll save it for last. 10-gate from the back. Spacer from the back. And the Tundra Trios is... Any guesses? I saw it. It was Philly. For the Philadelphia Flyers, we have Scott Hartnell, Daniel Briere, and Bresgalov. Tundra Trios. Black, orange, and Merlot from his Phoenix days. Jersey cards. Triple jersey. I think I had that one myself. There you go. Philly is Jack. No patch yet. We're still searching for it. Unless we get ripped off, which I don't like. Chara. Hopkins. And we have a rookie for the Vancouver Canucks, Nicholas Jensen. Vancouver is Overboy. That is numbered, short printed. At 306 out of 99. Not sure if that focused or not, but forgot the rookies are numbered in this. And what have we here? That is not our patch. Duchene base, and we have a Team Canada numbered 693 out of 99, Zach Boychuk. And Boychuk only appears in this set as with Team Canada. Based on the rules, I have him listed as Carolina, as having his time, or his current contract assigned with Carolina. If that has changed since this list has been printed out, please let me know. But as of right now, it'll be Carolina. I will double check before I ship it out, of course. Zach Boychuk. And Game Center. Going to nobody. Base. I printed this list off. Oh, there's our patch there. I'll save that one. Wayne Gretzky on the back. For Barrow, we have a red rookie, or a ruby rookie, for the Vancouver Canucks, Jordan Schroeder. This is number 14 out of 299. A red rookie for Vancouver. Base, and the final pack before the final pack, which is the patch card. Lemieux. Henrique, and we have a goalie subset for the Winnipeg Jets, Anders Pavelec, number 372 out of 99. And Winterpeg is all four kinds. There we go. And let's do the patch, which is right here. All right, pull from the back for dramatic effect. Pominville base, Gabrick base. On the front, Sakic, Carter, and it is a green emerald patch. Is of killing it this break. It is of Daniel Briere from the Philadelphia Flyers, number 11 of 75, jersey, and a nice two-color patch. It is two-color. There you go. A lot of these patches and this stuff is one color, so you got some color for this one, Jack. Jack, congratulations. Philly, beat up on that box. Three of the 4 hits out of that box for Philly. And finally, SP, more base cards there, SP Game Used. Serial for the camcorder, number 603. And for the XSplit video, 603. Alright, let's see what Game Used has to offer for y'all. One, 2, 3 packs, 4, 5 packs, and the foam spacer. Alright. Good luck, everybody. Save the best for last. So I hope it's best. Alright. We have Mark Messier, base card. Antti Niemi, base. And, ooh, inked sweaters. This one's pretty good. For the Nashville Predators, we got Shea Weber. Inked sweaters, number 33 of 50. There you go. Hey, Taz. Game name marks. Nashville is... Where are they? Oh, that is Paul. There you go. Shea Weber. Pretty cool. Spacer. A couple more base. Brodeur on the back. Oh, we got something thick in here. Now pull from the back from Dramatic Effect, Brodeur. Oh, got two base cards there. Lindros and Ranford. Datsuk. Eberle. All kinds of base cards. Phil Kessel. And we have for the Ducks, it is a goalie. And something pink. Anaheim is Bummer Boy. It is Fight Strap. Rookie Fabrics Fight Strap, number 15 of 15 of Victor Fast. There you go. Nice thick card. 15 of 15 eBay. 1 of 1. Victor Fast. Congratulations, Jack. Taylor Hall base. Naslund. And we have another Rookie Fabrics. This is the main version for the Dallas Stars. Valery Nakushkin. Dallas is Eldonko. Lisp, yeah. There you go. What do you call him, a nuke? What's his nickname, Nuke? Nakushkin. There you go, Zach. You're on the board. I think Game Used is one of your personal favorite sets. Alright, see what we got in here. We have Mike Bossy on the front. Scott Hartnell. And we have a dual fabrics for the Boston Bruins, Zdeno Chara and Ray Bourque. There you go. Boston's captains. Present and past. Boston is Bummer Boy. There you go. Exciting white swatches, but pretty good players. There you go, Jack. Yari Curry, and for the Kings. Cool. Backstrom. Don't see him in the King stuff very often. Oh, I smell a trade. And the last pack. Last chance for glory, as I like to say. Alright, we have Malkin. Yuri Teluski. And we have something red. Ooh, this one's going to be tough. Marcus Foligno. Team Canada Fabrics. So I'm not sure, that one's going to have to be looked up. Marcus Foligno. I can't remember if that's Boston, if that's Buffalo or Ottawa. That one's going to have to be looked up. Ottawa is DJNL's mommy. Buffalo is Harveg. So I have to look that one up. Bear with me at the end there. George Stahl. Larry Robinson. By rule, I got to look it up because it's I got to find out where he appears in the main set. So anyway, that's the break. If you want to stick around to find out who owns the Marcus Foligno card, it's Buffalo. Okay, well, I'll announce it unofficially as Buffalo based on Paul's intel. And that's that's Harveg, if I am incorrect in that. Again, Team Canada cards or any international cards, they fall to whatever team, if they appear in the main set and anywhere else with a team, it goes to that team. If not, it falls back to whoever currently owns his contract at break time. And if beyond that, if he's out of the league, then it goes to whoever he played for, whoever he has served his most time with. That's the rules for the Team Canada cards. Unofficially Buffalo, but I will correct myself in another video if that is a mistake. Okay, thank you very much for your support. 643boxbreaks.com. Hope you enjoy these multis. Hope you enjoy the cases and the bins and the auctions and everything else we offer on there. Go check it out. 643boxbreaks.com. Thank you. Bye bye.